So here we go again. I bullshit you not, I deleted 3 videos of just me testing this out. One of them was like 27 seconds. Another one was like, I don't know, 22 seconds. And one was 8 minutes. So this, more pocket prep. But here I jumped into this and corded buttonholes. It's a nice little function. I'm not going to do it on these dresses that I'm making now, but the red dresses, those buttonholes and those you see, they're corded. This was a long, tedious process. My first time, I know how to make a buttonhole, done it a gazillion times with this machine, but I've never tried corded buttonholes. I'm going to try again later, but I'm not going to try on these ones because, mama. Mama. No, I'm not going to try on this one, on this set, but I will try again in the future. But yes, these are corded buttonholes. And I need to just refine my technique, and I will try later because I think it gives a more professional look when done properly. Yep, so I had to do, I said 3 dresses, 6 pockets on the bottom, so that's 12 buttons, and then 3 on the top. That's 15 buttons. 2, 4, 6, 7, 9 buttons. I'm sorry. Because each pocket has 2 buttons. No, take that back. Each pocket has 2 buttons, and there's 2 pockets, so there's 4 times 3 is 12, plus the 3 on the top. The small pocket has 1 button, so yeah, that's 15 buttons. 15 corded buttons. Like I said, this was a journey. There I am. You saw that? Yeah, that was something. And there was a lot of waste there of that cord. I didn't like that. That wasn't cool at all. But that's part of the process. And I think it does add value. So when I do these, if I do this on when I do it on other garments, I'm probably going to charge a little bit more. It only makes sense. I mean, it adds value. See, look at that. You can't beat that. I mean, that was stunning. Yes, I'm bragging on myself. So on the green and white ones that I'm doing now, with the white dress with the green and white pockets, there's 2 buttons on each. Or is it going to be 1? Because I made them kind of with a pointy tip on the end. So it just might be 1 button. Be perfectly honest with you. So it may not be 15. It may be 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. It may just be 12 buttons. Because this was, yeah. See, my practice there. I'm not showing you guys all that. I had to practice. Yeah, there may just be like, what's that? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. It may just be 12 buttons. And that's why I did that, because this took a long time. So I am coming to the end here. I'm like, 3 minutes in? It's just 5 minutes and 12 minutes. A 5-minute long video. I'm sorry. Yeah. So please like, share, comment, repost. I'm showing you guys everything. I did not show you the prep that I did to get to this point. But if you want to, I can put those up too as well. I have no problem with it if you guys want to see that. So thank you guys for watching, commenting, trolling, whatever you guys do. And I will see you in the next video.